We handled these Illustrator preferences earlier in the year, but let's do it again just so we make sure everyone's on the same page. With Illustrator open, I'm going to come up and go to Preferences, and then down to Units. Now in the units, these are points in pixels by default. We're going to switch these all to pixels, and this is just for clarity's sake. The only reason to work in points and picas is in a classic graphic design work environment where you're sending work off to process printers, to commercial printers who are printing CMYK ink. And if that's going to be the case for you, talk to me and we'll set up something different and I'll cover all those basics. But for everybody else, we're printing to inkjet printers in the Mac Lab. And we work in pixels. We work in RGB, and we work at 180 pixels per inch when we set something up for print, which is different than process printing, which is 300. So for right now, I just want you to understand the units, all pixels, and then you click on Type, and then change the leading to 0.5. You don't need to type the 0. 0.5, 5, and 0.5. The pixels will be picked up because we've already changed the units. If for some reason this says points, PT, that just means you didn't follow the instructions here. So that's all we need to do for those preferences here in this section. Go ahead and click OK, and we're ready to roll.